Yo guys, welcome back to another trade breakdown. I did take a break even yesterday and today, and I did actually record that video yesterday, but it wasn't the best. So I thought, you know what, I'll do two in one. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do two in one. I'll upload the other one just because I can't be asked going through the yesterday's breakdown. But I'll just do today's. But today was a break even, unfortunately. So two break evens in a row. Obviously, if you saw the previous video, we did win on Thursday, so we're still up for the week. It is what it is. But coming to the market, these are my draws. We had this low, we had this low, same as ES. High time frame, we look beautiful. You know, we are correlated. Even now, like, bro, what is this? There's such a big ES is just bullish, and ES NQ. I don't know what's going on, but so market open. What did I see? Market display slower. For me, this was just a sketch. Like, this candle isn't convincing. We closed kind of in the middle, and the draw was very close, so it's like the risk reward is shambles. And if you see ES market open was not the best. We were just chopping. So ES and NQ are very, very, very uncorrelated. One was chopping, the other one was clearly wanting to take out the lows. And I would have maybe done a riskier entry if this low was like a date low or something, yeah, but it just wasn't really ideal. And this was our main target. This was just, honestly, this draw wasn't really the best. The main draw of the day was this low, which ES still hasn't taken out, by the way. But so the trade I ended up, honestly, in hindsight, I missed out on this. Was this trade? We got a protected stop. This would have been the trade if we entered literally here. No, not this. Which one did I take? No, I didn't take this. No, this. Wait. Yeah. So this was the trade that I did miss out, just because at 9:33 ES was still chopping, like we weren't moving anywhere. Look what ES is doing. We're still in that range, and you know, I kind of got sketched out. This wouldn't have been a break even if I entered right here, but like I said, I was just hella sketched out, honestly, and I've seen it happen in data in my backtesting, not backtesting, in my live markets and my journals, where when ES and NQ aren't correlated is just not the best. So I avoided that, and the one I ended up taking was finally ES kind of stopped going lower, and then I ended up taking this mid candle entry. In hindsight, I'm not gonna lie, the RR is just cooked. Like, I'm just forcing a 1-to-1. So it's something like this. I entered before mid candle, actually. It was about 30 points. So it's something like this. And this pissed me off. So price was so close to my take profit. Like, let's see. A point. 1 point. So I would have just got 1-to-1, made 500. Price break even and dumped. And I could have made like way more. I could have made like 1500. It is annoying. I don't really know. Like, I don't know if this is a formal trade, even though it played out in the end. I do think this is a formal trade. But obviously, I was gonna go break even. These type of trades were very close to the draw, and we do react and have a, we do take mid candle entries, which is one of them. Where this is more of a, this is more of a discretionary trade where I knew he was gonna get hit, but I wasn't really confident in it just because of the way ES is moving. So I was very okay. If this takes out this internal low, break even. And what did we do? We went break even, and yeah, brutal BE. And it is annoying. It is what it is. Maybe you could have took a re-entry for something like this as soon as we start seeing ES dump. Maybe this could have been good. But it's like, what's our draws? At this point, we've took out our main draws. Like, even if you're targeting this on the 4 hour, okay, wait, maybe this. You know what? I think I did low-key miss out. Oh, damn. Yeah, you know what? I messed up. So if we took this at 941, what's ES doing 941? 941, ES is still in this range. Damn, okay, so this could have been it is what it is. Listen, you live and you learn. But like I said, ES and NQ were just not correlated, and it is what it is. So I did get break even down. We could have, made some money for the day, but it is what it is. I just don't like these are the price action where I'm just not confident in. Like look at this. We're going down. We're not necessarily dumping. Like the delivery wasn't the best. Like bearish chop, bearish chop, bearish chop, bearish chop. Do you see that? These are the price action where we wanna be trading something like this. We chop, displacement, retrace, beautiful push up. Whereas look at the difference between these. They're just not good. And even the displacement candles, they're not good. Like bro, it's like one little displacement candle. Just it's not good. So it is what it is. We will come back tomorrow. I will see if you got okay. So got Helen News tomorrow, which is good. But yeah, overall been a solid day. Um, and yeah, so break even for the week. I mean, not break even for the week. We also for the week, but break even for the day. And I'll come back tomorrow and see what happens. I do want to pass this. So we are $600 up on the combine. Hopefully, I can pass in the next week or so. I think obviously the New Year's just started, so probably just wait for market to kind of make get back properly together. It has been quite a slow week, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next breakdown.